In this video, we're going to look at another example of a partial derivative. So we're being asked to find all the first partial derivatives of the function u of r theta equals sine of r cosine theta. So when we look at the partial with respect to r, remember we'll treat theta as the constant. Well, our outside function here is sine, so the derivative of sine will be cosine. So we get cosine of r cosine theta. Then I've got to take the derivative of the inside by the chain rule. Remember, we're differentiating the r, treating the theta like it's a constant. Derivative of r would just be 1, so that's where that extra cosine theta comes out. So we get cosine theta times cosine of r cosine theta for our partial with respect to r. For our partial with respect to theta, notice our outside function is still sine of a function of theta. So the chain rule says derivative of the outside, cosine, leave the inside alone. So we get cosine of r cosine theta again, just like we did in the first case. But when we get to the derivative of the inside function now, we treat r as the constant and differentiate the theta. Derivative of cosine theta is negative sine theta, so that's where this minus r sine theta is coming from. And then rearranging, we see that our partial with respect to theta is negative r sine theta cosine of r cosine theta.